Time is now.
Yo, what's up, bro? Oh, you need me over there right now? Alright, bro, I'll come through. Give me a minute.
Where's my phone?
Man, he probably took that already, boss.
Who are you?
Who am I? How about you think about what you're doing here?
What is the point of this place?
And look, they snatched you, right? Alright?
Just like that.
Let me guess. Before this, what were you doing? On your phone all the time?
I was living my life. What do you mean?
Living your life how though? Glued to screens? That's
I mean,
what
I guess screens are a lot more fun than staring at blank walls. What's the point of this?
I feel you, but it's more to life, bro. You know?
What's the reason for this, man? Why would he just take us?
Shit, I don't know. Think about what you were doing before you got snatched.
I was minding my business, taking care of my homework, glued to my phone and my computer, bro.
That's it. The screens, bro.
What screens?
The screens that you glued to, bro. Your phone, your computer, your TV.
How could that have got me kidnapped and prisoner, bro?
I think we're missing the point that they're trying to drive home, bro. You know what I mean?
You think so?
I think so. I mean, bro, like, when I look outside, I see the world as an amazing place. Grass is greener, you know, plants blooming.